Have you ever stopped to consider what it's like as a customer to pull up to one of our locations? The customer experience starts right here in the parking lot. What they see is important. Our locations are destination stores. People come here from often miles around because they've got a specific problem, they've got a special project they're working on, they're building a house, whatever it may be. They know that the expertise they need, the products they need are right here. So it all starts when they pull up in the parking lot. The next thing that's most important is once they go through those doors, what's on their mind the most is, am I going to get the help I need? You know, studies have shown that people decide within the first 10 seconds whether or not they like a store and want to do business there. That's why the initial greeting, that initial acknowledgement is so important. Let's go inside and have a look.
Good afternoon, welcome to PAR.
Thank you. You know, when somebody comes into our stores, the first thing on their mind is, will somebody here greet me? As I've said before, PAR Lumber is a destination location. People don't come here necessarily to window shop. They typically have a problem, a project that they're working on. So that initial greeting sets them at ease, helps them to know that they're going to get the help they need here. And just like at home, when you have a friend come over and they walk in your front door, you want to greet them right away. Time is of the essence. This is an important first step. Another important consideration is when a customer pulls up into one of our lumber yards. The first thing that's on their mind is, how long is this going to take? Will somebody here help me get the materials I need so that I can get back to my job? Every engagement you have with a customer is an opportunity. Let them know your name. Ask them about their project. Find out more about what they're working on. They'll appreciate the interest and you might learn something. Once you've engaged with a customer in the lumber yard, you have a great opportunity to build that relationship. Greeting a customer at the gate is an important step in ensuring the customer has a great experience.